Clean up with the Power Air Fryer XL is fast and easy. Before doing any kind of cleaning or maintenance, always make sure it's unplugged and has cooled down completely. First, remove the outer basket. Just pull the easy grip handle and slide it out. Only slide the button guard when the outer basket is out and placed on a level, heat-resistant surface. If the outer basket or fry basket contain any difficult to remove mess, leave them assembled. Fill with hot, soapy water and leave it to soak for 10 minutes. To remove the fry basket, slide back the clear plastic guard button and press the red release button. Then, just lift out the fry basket and put it straight in the dishwasher, or wash by hand with warm, soapy water and a soft sponge or cloth. We recommend avoiding lemon-scented detergents and washing up liquids. Now, check the bottom of the outer basket for any residue. There may be some leftover oil depending on how much you've used. Don't pour any leftover oil or fats down the drain or sink, that's bad for the pipes. Instead, pour it into any kind of container and put it in the fridge to solidify. Then, just throw it away as you would anything else. The outer basket can go in the dishwasher, but we recommend washing by hand, along with the rest of the components, including the basket divider. Again, use hot water, a mild washing up liquid, and a soft sponge or cloth. Every few months you should tip your Power Air Fryer XL to remove any buildup that may have collected in the air vent. You can also use a soft bristle brush or a non-metallic sponge to make sure you get rid of any residue. You only need to do this every few months depending on how often you use your Power Air Fryer and how much oil you decide to use. The rest of the time, just wipe it down gently and discard any leftover oil. That's all there is to it. You'll never scrub a pan again when you cook with the Power Air Fryer XL.